Hey YouTube, we are headed out to the Jeep dealer. You're probably going to be a little bit surprised, but probably this will be the last time that we're in our Jeep, so you'll get to see what's going to happen.
Let's see what happens.
Hey YouTube, so we just bought our Gladiator, pretty cool, and you're going to see some different shots of it. This is going to replace the Wrangler that we've been using off-road, and this is going to be our future. So the plan is to put this behind a motorhome, like that's what we decided.
Yeah.
And like hopefully in, I don't know, 4 years or whatever or less, we'll have our motorhome, and you'll be seeing us going around the country, going to different parks and stuff other than the East Coast. So
we traded in the Wrangler Rubicon for the Gladiator. Looking forward to the new trails.
Yep, we'll see you. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.